Hey you guys, this is Lorie at TMI Gifts. If you're watching our video today, please subscribe and like and share our video, and also comment below some things that you liked in this video, or some unconventional ways or some different wreaths that you can think of out there that you can just add a bow to. So one thing I want to show you, this is something that you can add a bow to, or you can embellish, you can add mesh to. This is a colored teardrop, and we have a lot of these in stock in different colors, but sometimes just adding a bow and a sign to this instead of adding a lot of other things is really, really good. This is a great one for Mardi Gras, St. Patrick's Day, Christmas, and then you can actually use this one for so many different things. It's a green color, it's a tinsel color, but it's just pretty with a bow on it. Even at Christmas time, just adding some green and some browns, or maybe just green and red to this, and just adding a pretty bow to it is always pretty. So these colored teardrops, you don't have to add a lot of mesh to them, and you can just add a bow to them. This is a little something different that you can just add a bow to. Also, pre-made wreaths. This one's on a grapevine that has a lot of this fall foliage in it. Adding a bow to this is just simple. If you don't want to make a big wreath, or you just want to keep it sort of simple, or you have a big area or somewhere that you want to just add a lot of wreaths to, and you can't spend a lot of money adding in a lot of embellishments and things, get you a pre-made wreath, add a bow to it, and you have a big showstopper for a big area when you're needing to add a lot of wreaths to it. Another thing is just a simple boxwood wreath. You can get these in square, you can get them in round, you can get them in different colors of boxwood. Just adding a bow to a boxwood wreath, and for different seasons and for all the seasons, it helps you cover all your seasons and getting all different bows. And if your house is not in a good covered area and you're exposed to the elements and your bows get kind of dirty and you want to change them out often, a boxwood wreath is great because it has UV protection in it, and you also can just change those ribbons out every month. Another one is just a bead wreath. You could do a bead wreath, and you could actually add it to like a grapevine wreath, or you could add this bead wreath to a lot of different things, or just bead wreath, add some florals to it, or just a bow. This is a simple way to add some color, a little bit something less expensive that you want to add to your door, and just pop a bow on it. These are just items that you can just take and put on your door and add a bow to it. Those bead wreaths are great above hoods in your kitchen, also on mirrors and things like that. Those are a great item to add in your home on some of those doors and windows that you have in your home that's like decorative too. Here is a bicycle wheel. We have two sizes in it. We have a larger size, and we then have a smaller size. I think one's 15 and one's like a 24 or 20 something. These are great just to add out in a great area that's a good summer piece or a spring piece. You could add florals to this. You could get as crazy as you wanted to, but you also can just use this to add a bow to it and make a statement. Also, water hoses are some attachments that you can add to stuff, but adding a water hose to this and just adding a bow to it, this is a really, really good spring and summer way to add something different to your door. Say you don't really like wreaths, or they get dirty, or a bird's nesting in your wreath on your door and you need something a little different. This is a perfect way to go, because all you've got to do is add a bow to it, and it also says summer. This actually says 4th of July as well. So if you've got problems with birds nesting in your wreath, you might want to do something like this, or the bead wreath, and this will be a little bit better for you at your house. Pop a bow on it, and it's great. I hope you've learned something from these just simple wreaths that you can just add a bow to. If you like any product that you've seen here, you can shop it at tmigifts.com, and let me know what your simple wreath to add a bow to is to your door.